Hey there. Moving into a dorm is exciting and expensive, and it's shockingly easy to overbuy, forget essentials, or end up with two mini fridges. Let me walk you through the college dorm. Move in, budget, and packing checklist tab by tab. Start on settings. Enter the student's name, school, move in date, and your budget, and it populates the rest of the workbook. The packing checklist covers everything by category: bedding, bath, storage, electronics, school supplies, with a packed and purchased checkbox for each so nothing gets missed. The budget planner tracks estimated versus actual cost for every item, so you can see exactly where the money is going before you're standing in the checkout line. Roommate coordination is the tab that prevents duplicates. Split who's bringing the fridge, the microwave, the rug, so you don't show up with two of everything. The move-in day tab is your hour-by-hour plan. Parking, elevator times, what to unload first, so the busiest day of the semester actually goes smoothly. Dorm info and contacts keeps the important details handy. Room number, mailing address, RA contact, campus numbers, all in one place. Semester costs looks past move-in to the whole term, books, meal plan, laundry, so you budget for the real cost of the semester. And the dashboard pulls it together: total, spent, budget remaining, packing progress, and what's still to buy. That's the whole planner. Every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Good luck with move-in day. Thanks for watching.